Hi, my name is Diditi Mitra. The sociological lens to me is fascinating because you see things that you didn't see before and you've been living it the whole time. When it is shown to you and you grasp it, to me it's exciting. It's really, really exciting. If you are a police officer and if you have the sociological lens, your experience of dealing with potential suspects, how you present yourself, how you deal with situations in the field itself, I think will be informed. You will bring in a dimension to law enforcement that others will not be able to bring because you will be a people person. Because that's really what sociology does. It helps you understand people. You understand them better. As a person who's working in corrections also, for instance, you'll deal with people in a much more effective manner.